The universe is full of mysteries, but every once in a while, one of those mysteries comes directly toward us, forcing humanity to look up, recalculate everything, and ask the same question our ancestors once asked. What is that? Tonight, the question has returned, because just hours ago, a human telescope operator captured the clearest ever image of the interstellar object 3I Atlas. And what this new image reveals is shaking astronomers worldwide. 3I Atlas is not from our solar system. It came from the deep unknown, a region of space we cannot map, cannot measure, and cannot predict. It is only the third confirmed interstellar object ever recorded, after Oumuamua and 2I Borisov. But there's something deeply different about this one. It is behaving like no natural comet should. It shows almost zero outgassing, even when passing close to heat. Its rotation rate is strangely stable. Its approach path is razor sharp, as if controlled, and its mass distribution appears engineered. Scientists still insist it's a comet, but astronomers, they're not so sure anymore. 3 days ago, multiple observatories reported something shocking. 3I Atlas brightened, but not like a comet. It brightened in pulses, precise, rhythmic pulses. NASA, ESA, and multiple independent research teams sent out a global alert. Prepare for updated tracking, object behavior inconsistent with natural bodies. But the real surprise came from a single man. He isn't a celebrity. He's not a billionaire. He's not even a government scientist. He's a private astro-photographer from South America, operating a custom-modified 0.8-meter telescope from his backyard observatory. His name is Gabriel Montero. At exactly 02:14 a.m. UTC, Gabriel captured the clearest, highest contrast image ever recorded of 3I Atlas. The image already has 22 million plus downloads, dozens of scientific papers in progress, a global debate on X and Reddit, several conspiracy theories, and a federal investigation. But let's talk about the image itself. The image is terrifyingly clear. For the first time ever, 3I Atlas shows a geometric surface. Not spherical, not comet-like, not smooth, but faceted like a polyhedron, with edge-like lines reflecting sunlight. And that's not all. The object shows 3 high-albedo panels that reflect light more strongly than any known comet material. Scientists believe these could be exposed metallic regions, crystalline structures, or, the most controversial theory, engineered plates meant for some unknown purpose. But the biggest shock, the object casts a shadow inconsistent with its rotation calculations, meaning either the model is wrong, or the object is not rotating naturally, or something inside it is stabilizing its orientation. Something intelligent. The scientific community is split. New analyses show unusual ratios of nickel, iron, cobalt, and a trace of titanium. This is not a natural combination for a comet. It is, however, common in high-temperature alloys, jet engine materials, heat shields, interstellar probes. The spectral signature is so specific that the University of Arizona released an emergency note. 3I Atlas does not resemble any cometary nucleus ever recorded. Its composition remains unexplained. The object also emits microwave reflections, something natural comets do not. The debate intensifies. We are not saying it's a spacecraft. We are not saying it's alien. But the possibility is no longer being dismissed. Dr. Haruki Sato from Japan's Space Research Institute said, if a civilization wanted to map our solar system, this is how they do it. Meanwhile, Dr. Elena Rojas from Chile commented, we may be watching a probe, not a comet. But the most dramatic opinion came from Dr. Pearson. If this is artificial, then it detected us long before we detected it. This raises a terrifying question. Why is 3I Atlas coming toward us, and what does it want?
The clearest image also allowed scientists to refine the trajectory, and the new calculations reveal 3I ATLS is heading toward the inner solar system closer than previously expected. It will pass near the orbit of Venus, then approach Earth's orbital plane, then travel outward again. But here's the strange part. Its speed is decreasing. Not by much, just enough to raise alarms. Natural objects rarely slow down like this unless something is absorbing their momentum or they're changing course. NASA refuses to comment. ESA says data is still being reviewed, but independent researchers say the unthinkable. 3I ATLS may be preparing for a maneuver. If one human, a backyard astrophotographer, can capture an image that shifts global science, then imagine what we'll discover when major telescopes point toward 3I ATLS in the coming weeks. This single image has rewritten research papers, broken scientific assumptions, triggered new missions, sparked global debates, and ignited fear. But it has also given humanity something else, a chance to understand what this visitor truly is. 3I ATLS is not just another rock in space. It is a message, a test, a visitor, or a warning. Whatever it is, its story has only just begun, and the clearest image ever captured may be the first page of a chapter we were never prepared to read. This is the latest update on 3I ATLS. More images are coming, more data is coming, and no matter what it turns out to be, humanity is now watching.